Why do animals experience Zugunruhe before migrating? Imagine feeling a sudden burst of energy just when the seasons start to change. Animals, especially birds, often seem restless right before they take off on their long journeys. This feeling is called Zugunruhe, a German word that means migration restlessness. It is a natural part of how animals prepare for migration. But why do they get so anxious and active? What triggers this behavior? Let's find out. Zugunruhe is a sign that animals are wired to migrate. It is driven by internal biological clocks that tell them when it is time to move. These clocks are like built-in calendars that keep track of the seasons. As the days get shorter or longer, these internal timers send signals to the animal's brain, making them feel restless. They start fluttering their wings, hopping around, or flying in circles at dusk, which is often when migration begins. This restlessness is not just a random feeling. It is a way for animals to get ready physically and mentally for the journey ahead. Their bodies undergo changes, like shrinking of organs that are less needed during flight, such as parts of their digestive system. At the same time, their muscles and hearts grow stronger to support the energy needed for migration. These changes happen naturally and are guided by their internal biological systems. Even if a bird is kept in a cage away from the outdoors, it will still show signs of Zugunruhe. This proves that the urge to migrate is not just about external cues like weather or food but is deeply ingrained in their genes. They are born with this instinct, which helps them prepare for their seasonal travels. Zugunruhe helps animals focus their energy on moving. It increases their activity levels and sharpens their sense of direction. This is important because migration is a demanding journey that requires precise timing and navigation. The behavior ensures they are physically ready and mentally alert when the time comes to leave. Scientists believe that Zugunruhe also helps animals sense the right time to start migrating. It is linked to environmental cues like changes in daylight and temperature. These cues trigger hormonal changes in their bodies, which in turn activate their migratory instincts. This complex system allows animals to synchronize their migration with the best conditions for survival. Understanding Zugunruhe gives us a glimpse into how animals are perfectly tuned to the rhythms of the natural world. It shows how behavior, physiology, and environment work together to support migration. This knowledge can help us protect migratory species by knowing when they are most active and ensuring their habitats are safe during these critical times. In essence, animals experience Zugunruhe before migrating because it is a built-in response that prepares them both physically and mentally for their long journey. It is a fascinating example of how nature programs creatures to follow the cycles of the living world, ensuring they reach their destinations safely each season.